Hi, this is Cindy of Cindy Squared, and I would like to introduce you to a new number system. We understand that you were left with some artifacts from a mathematician, and we're going to use those artifacts to help you with a new number system. So your old number system, we have here counting A through Z and noting that anything beyond Z was many. The new number system we have noted here. We have A, B, C, D, and those are seen with these units of measure. So each unit of measure, this one would be A. If we had this, that would be B. And then adding another one onto it would be C. And then another one after that would be D. The next unit of measure is the rod. And the rod shows up in a place value. So we have in this new number system 4 place values. The first one is this unit, that small cube that was left. The second place value is the rod. The third place value is the flat, the one that looks like rods stacked on top of each other. And then the fourth place value we have as this cube, which looks like 5 flats on top of each other. Okay. We also have in our number system the O. Okay. And the O is when there's a void, when something is not there. Okay, much like the fist that you had in your original number system. Okay. In our new number system, we can count, and we count like this: A, B, C, D, and then we switch over to our rod, A. Since there we see just a rod, okay, and nothing else, so it's an AO. If we had a rod and a unit, it would be AA, a rod and 2 cubes, or a cube would be AB, and so on, until we get to the largest that you knew before, which was Z. For our new number system, that is not the largest that we have. We have things beyond many. And for our system, it would be AOA. Flat, nothing, and a unit. Okay.